Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the material editor with M. This gives you direct access to material slots. Choose an empty slot and pick standard or physical depending on your renderer. Once selected, rename the slot so you don't lose track. Clear naming saves time. Next, drag the material from the slot directly onto your object in the viewport or use the Assign Material to Selection button. Make sure your object is selected so the editor targets it immediately. You now change the visible color by clicking the Diffuse or Base Color swatch. Pick a hue or type exact RGB numbers for precision. Once done, tweak reflection and roughness if using a physical material because color appearance depends on gloss and reflections. Make sure to enable Realistic Viewport or Active Shade to see accurate results, otherwise you'll misjudge the finish. If the object uses textures, check the Map slot and disable, or replace it to allow the solid color to show. You're nearly done. Click Assign if needed and run a quick test render to confirm the final appearance. If the color doesn't match the editor, inspect the object's material ID and the modifier stack. An override or multi/subobject material may block changes. Once you've verified that no map is overriding the base color, clear any conflicting texture maps and retry. For stubborn mismatches, reset renderer settings or switch to another viewport shader temporarily to isolate whether rendering, not
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.